Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about C++ program. What is C++ language? C++ is a high-level programming language. C++ is a general purpose, case-sensitive, object-oriented programming language. Now let's come to the uses of C++. It is used to develop game engines, games, and desktop apps, art applications, etc. C++ is being highly used to write device drives and other softwares. Now the history of C++. C++ programming language was developed in 1980. C++ programming language was developed by Bjorn Stroustrup and he is known as the founder of C++. C++ was derived from C language. Now the features of C++ language. It's object oriented, it has rich library support, first execution speed, pointer support, recursion support, and memory management. So viewers, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.